with the recent update from WordPress, the new version has been released, and many of you might have accidentally updated the version of WordPress to 5.8. If you have observed, there are many things WordPress has changed. So if you're finding it difficult to manage with the new version, you might want to roll back the WordPress version to the earlier one. But to update it safely, I will show you a very easy way to do that without losing any of your content. So let us start. Hi guys, this is Prakash from 𝗧𝗵𝗿 and in today's session we will see how to roll back the WordPress version to the older version without losing any of your content. So this is one of my test websites, and if you see, it has the latest 5.8 version, and as we had discussed in one of my earlier videos, that with this version there can be changes with the widgets in particular. So we had seen in the earlier version that we can roll back these widgets by using a very small plugin. So you can refer to that video if you have this issue about the WordPress widgets. But in today's session, we will see how we can roll back the version of WordPress to the earlier one. So before we start, it is very important that we have a backup for our website. And for me, I use 𝗙𝗵𝗿, which is a fantastic plugin and very easy to manage the things with this plugin. So I will go to the settings and I will just have a backup for my website. So it is very important to have a backup for your website, because while we update WordPress, there can be a lot of changes in the backend. Now we are done with the backup of the website. So let us now hover over to the plugins and go to add new and install a plugin called 𝗵𝗵 Downgrade. So this is the plugin, and as you see, there are more than 100,000 installations for this plugin. So you just need to install the plugin and say activate. So once you activate the plugin, you can go to the settings and you will see a new tab now called 𝗵𝗵 Downgrade. So just click on that. So here you will see the latest version, the version on which your website is currently running. And to see the previous versions, you can just open this link. It will open a link wherein you can find the previous versions. So let us assume that we want to roll back the WordPress to 5.7.2 version. So I have just copied this number and I will paste it over here. You can just go and save the changes. So you will immediately see 𝗵𝗵 5.7.2 is set as target version. So it has taken that particular version and it is now showing that it is available. So you need not do anything here. And in order to perform the upgrade or downgrade to 𝗵𝗵 5.7.2, please go to update core. So you just need to click on this update or downgrade the core. So now it is asking you to reinstall the version 5.7.2. I have just clicked on the reinstall button and you'll see that the files are getting updated. Since it's a core setup, it will take a bit of a time. So you just need to be a little patient about these updates, particularly for the WordPress. So here it is. It is now showing the WordPress 5.7.2 version has been updated successfully on our website. So let us check out the site as well. And as I mentioned in the beginning, this is a test website. So it is made with the 𝗟𝗏 a template. So this is how we can roll back the WordPress version for our website. So that is all for today. So we'll meet in next video where I will again bring some interesting things about WordPress website development, and how to develop websites without having any coding knowledge. So keep watching my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for any of my new videos. So thank you so much and take care.